me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
The one with the big wheel?
Jump.
No, look now. At the tape then also.
Tape no?
Yeah, so lift it up, lift it over. So this is from Lady D. Lady D from the UK.
Lady D from the UK. Yeah.
For Miss Dasa.
Well done. My mother, you know?
Yeah.
Lady D from the UK. Appreciate it, you know?
Look now.
Enough respect. Lady D from the UK.
Yeah, for Miss
I
Dasa.
appreciate it for my mother, you know?
Thank you.
Respect.
Open that away. Widen it though. You can't widen it now. Yeah.
These are like the feet there, you know?
Oh, I forgot the feet.
Feet.
We could put them on. Specifically for the restriction.
Oh yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, needs two. Yeah.
That type of way, you understand?
So blessings and give thanks, Lady D from the UK.
Lady D
For
from the
this,
UK.
for this wheelchair for Miss Dasa Alumum.
Enough respect,
Lady screw, just clip in straight away.
Okay, yeah.
Enough respect, Lady D from the UK.
Yeah.
May God richest blessing upon you. May your food basket never empty.
Yeah.
May the Lord continue to guide and protect you. Make His face shine upon you and be gracious unto you.
Yeah man, give thanks. So now we're gonna take Miss Dasa to the therapist.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just click on that one there. Alright, hit that.
Laki na plastic ka na yan eh.
Yeah.
Oh, you like it now? Pull it up. Alright. Yes, Miss Dasta.
Yes,
So we just make you get a wheelchair
yeah.
from Lady D.
From?
Lady D from the UK.
Okay.
Yeah, she live in the UK, so it's much mobile now where you can, well, you have to get pushed, and it's not the one where you can shoot road. So can you say you want a motor one for drive? Alright, so you can drive?
Many thanks, Miss D, Lady D. Thank you very much.
Yeah, so now we're on the way to bring Miss Dasa to the therapist again for a lovely session because she couldn't wait to see this day. So you say, you ready, Miss Dasa?
Sir, yes, long time.
Alright, then let's boogie. Have seatbelt on it, you know.
Yes? Open knife.
As she say, look for your arm. Start to shake. I'm gonna look at sister, you know?
Sister.
Afternoon. Cool. On Mother Earth. Oh, something like that.
Manchester United.
Yeah. No, go that one, take on it.
Hello. Hello. Good day. Good day. Oh, good. Bow. So
you
good?
Yeah. Sis Pinto. Finally. Sorry for being late.
Yeah. Would this time be a better time for you? Would have this time then I could speak?
Yeah, 2 o'clock.
Oh, sure. Well, you're looking good. You're the doctor? Yeah. Oh, I love your hairstyle. Wicked. That is nice. So how have you been? And I see with your water. Huh? You never do without your water, you know. Water is the best thing for you. Alright? So you ready to stop the hand a little? Stop it for me a little. Be still, hand. Good. You been practicing? Yeah. As if you don't practice, you know, you're not going to stay. You have to practice. Alright? It's really nice out here. It's a little sunny. It's nice out here. So I love for us to do some work out here. Because in there is a little warmer. It's just that the sun is a little hot. But I see with the wheelchair. I got throw the wheelchair there, you know. You understand? Got throw this wheelchair. But you know what happens? You have to make use of it, you know, right? Alright. So I'm going to have you to... I'm going to take one down. 1 foot down. Before I said that, can you pray?
Yes, I can.
Can you pray for all of us right now? Alright, so we're gonna pray. Alright, ready? I like to close my eyes, you know, because I can't see nothing going around, not even a fly. Alright, so we're gonna pray.
Most righteous and everlasting God, come before you this morning, Lord. Nothing now and simple to the cross. Father God, I place each and every one before you today. Remember me in your going and your coming. Guide and protect me, dear Jesus. Remember my therapist. Father God, child that she can help me. I just place myself in your hands today and take what is to be said and done in your sweet name. Amen.
Lovely.
You know, I believe in prayer. I really, truly believe. Remember, I told you that I got a medication, and the medication brought on a little stroke on me and heart attack when I was living in America. Remember, I told you that story?
Ali?
And I remember the whole night I prayed.
Good.
The whole night I prayed. See, you just brought tears to your son's eyes. Eh? You just brought tears to your son's eyes. One of the blessings we get, you know, is when son, they have a lot of mother, the son just leave them and don't even put in much. And there's your son, is a daughter running around doing everything. You understand? But see, you have a son there who, boy, I tell you remind me so much of my son, you know? You remind me so much of my son, and it's good that God give us sons, you know? Daughters, we know the daughters are there, you know. Not to say the daughter is like a handbag.
Yes.
But you see, when you reach certain age, when the son reach certain age, they belong to someone else. Not that the daughter, them don't belong, you know. But the daughters will stay with you.
Yes.
But when I see a young man, like this young man, your son, put so much in you, boy, I tell you, I love my son even more. You understand? Alright, so here what happened. I want to put your feet to go down on the ground. Alright? But you're going to do it. I'm not going to help you. I might help you with one. I'm going to ask your son to help you with one. But after I move this one, you're going to move that. You just move. Get one off. Oh. Careful, man, it's drop. Yes. Alright. So you have to put the other one down now. Okay. No. You're gonna remember I tell you have to try don't sit to your side. You're sitting too much on that side. Remember I was telling you that? That you have to be a little more in the center. Right? So you're gonna come up on your hand. Remember we did that last week?
On the bed.
Right. So you're going to come up a little and shift yourself.
Hold on, Miss Winter.
First thing you have to do, make sure you put her break on. Alright, so you're gonna shift yourself now. Put the feet down. Put everything in there. Okay. Sit back down now. Now come over more to this side. Let's see. You're still a little over there. I want you over this side. Come a little more over this side.
You can do it.
Come to me. Move your bottom over to me now. Let's see. Good girl. Good. Listen. And one of the comments they said I should have a ramp for you, right? Here is the ramp. I always have a ramp. But I try to use the ramp for you. I want the feet, right? Everybody who come, I do a lot of stroke patients, and they know that my thing is to get you in and get you out by using the feet. So I do have a ramp. It's there.
Yeah, it's there.
Okay. And I must say thanks for all the comments. You know, I really appreciate it.
Yeah.
And I'm trying my best, and with the grace of God, we will get her going.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you to do this a little bit here. Get a proper elastic to suit him because she needs to cover the nose completely. And because she's out with so much people around her, make sure that it covers. You see that? That's how it must be. So I don't know if you see, might go and knot it a little at the back or something, but you have to protect her as much as possible. You'll stretch because that's stretchy elastic, but just buy the ordinary one, like, you know, and make it. Yeah. Do the same with the other side.
Next month is them birthday.
Oh, both of them together?
9.
Wow. Wow.
Born on my mother's birthday.
On your mom's birthday. Alright, yes. Perfect that way. Good. So the nose up a little. Yeah. You have to, just like yours, you have to make sure to protect her because somebody can sneeze somewhere and you know. True. So you just get it a while ago and I like that. So I'm gonna ask you to do that again. This time you know, I'm gonna see if we can get about 10. Quiet you down. That's alright. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Good. Breathe out. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. And relax. Quiet the hand. Quiet the hand. Now what you guys have to understand that this is the mother. And not everybody carry the gene. But there's a gene that go around with something like this that you have to be careful of. Yeah. So in changing up your eating and your thinking, it's not only for her but for you as well. I want you to get her a crossword puzzle or some kind of puzzle, what we're going to do today. Yeah. And let her start using the brain. Because some other things might be done, but the brain is still working. So you have to keep stimulating it. Yeah. So you give her like books, stuff enough to read. Yeah. She's a reader. Okay, so you give her a little crossword puzzle and you know, you give her the newspaper, don't read it to her, you know,
yeah, she can read it, yeah.
Come in and ask her, you know, what she read in the newspaper, make sure she get a newspaper, or a bean or whatever, you know. Alright, so, ready? You did one already, I am telling you. I love our fight. Love our fight. Okay. Now, in all you're doing, you're not doing anything with this foot here. This foot just stay in one place. Don't like that. I want that foot to move. Move it to the back, move it to the side, move it to the front, but let it move. Alright? Did you get the parsley for her feet? Parsley. You should tell your sister to boil parsley.
To my sister.
Trisha, the other one too.
Have you been drinking the parsley tea?
No, I don't get it. I drink the cucumber and the string.
Yeah, but you need the parsley.
Oh, the parsley bush that don't know.
Yes,
You
the
have to go and
parsley
get
is
it.
going to
Oh, Natalie, if you buy it. Okay. I'll let my sister get it tomorrow.
Yes, because the food is very heavy, so the pass will help to draw.
Okay. I do the paper, I read the paper, and
Yes.
then I give pass it on to my next sister.
Okay.
Yes, 4 of them round now.
Yes.
So the one who do the market stuff.
Yes. Okay, push up. Good. Stay there. 1, 2. You count. You count to 10. That's 2. 3, 4. Yes.
5,
Yes.
6,
Yes.
7,
Good.
8, 9, 10.
And then slowly go back down. Good girl. Good girl. Alright. So I want you to move this foot. I see you move this one back, you know, but you don't touch this one yet. That one is the heaviest one.
Lift it up.
So, right, put it back down. Lift the other one now. Good. So quick you jump that one.
Yeah.
Or you jump this one same way, you know. But here's the reason why you're not jumping this one that much. Because you lean too much on this side. You understand? So you're putting too much weight. You're pressuring the nerve. So it can't get to do the work. You understand? So it cannot turn this way. So this is one of the reasons why I want you to make sure that you're more in the middle rather than right. You have a nice wheelchair though, you know. This is a nice wheelchair. Is your son getting a
She
wheelchair?
literally just get it from a donor
Just
Okay.
from overseas. Someone named Lady D from the UK.
Oh, thank you, Lady D. Thank you. Beautiful wheelchair. You see, we take care of one another, you know. We have to do that, you understand? Because God makes sure that we are okay, so we have to take care of one another. The one thing, as I said, you're leaning too much on that side, so you still have to work this leg. So when you sit down in the morning, when you get up, you have exercise to do. So let's do the exercise before we go back to the other one, alright?
Yeah.
The first thing though, I want you to look on the hand and call it quit. Relax, don't lean too much. Lean back, more back, lean back, yes. Take a deep breath, deep breathe. Take a deep breath in, breathe in through your nose, and breathe out. Open the hands a little wider.
TrenchTown.
Put one over that side, and the other one over this side. There you go. And just relax. As I said, your left is more inflamed because you're more on that side, so you have to really try, you know. Alright, but that's okay. Alright. That's alright. So we're going back again. Hands up. In your hot wheelchair. In your hot wheels. Ready? So we did 2 already. So you're moving, good. I see the left one moving. Good girl. Good girl. There you go. Love it. Alright, ready now? Put all your strength in there. Up. Push yourself up. Push yourself up. 1, 2. Stay up. Push yourself up. 3, 4. Push yourself up. 5, 6. Push yourself up. Bring the left one back. Bring the left leg back. Lift that left leg back. Good. And then go back down. So you know my thing is to get the nerves. Remember Pee-wee? You remember Pee-wee? Pee-wee used to tell him joke. And when him done, him just go so bam, bam, and kick off the shoes then. Alright, so Pee-wee time. Get the shoes them off. Alright, so you can see. Alright, good. Okay, so that means the foot have to go down a little more on the ground. Okay. Are you treating this? You know that's fungus.
Yeah. It always cut them alone.
Yeah, don't only cut them alone, but they need treatment. So you have to go and get something for fungus and put in there because
I can get it over the counter.
you can get it at the farms. Just tell them that you have some fungus in her toe and what you can use, let them tell you.
Yeah.
What you can use. But you need to start getting the parsley, yeah?
Yeah, we'll get it.
That's why I show a lot of fluid. Alright. So ready again? That's what, 3 we did a while ago?
Yeah.
Remember we're doing 10? So you have another one now. So up you go. When she stand up. I'm going to put a little pressure on. Ready? Remember the left? More. Use the left some more. Okay, so push yourself out a little first. Come on. Push yourself out a little first. Push forward.
Push forward, man.
Now what? You should say wait now. Don't rush me. To talk to the body, you know. So sit back down. Relax. Relax now. Move the hand and everything and just sit back down. Okay. And you talk to the body. Use the mind. You're gonna move now. So when you kick yourself in gear. Alright? Good. Quick, make a quick move. Quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and down. You see you just talked to yourself a while ago. Yeah man. Yes. Go girl. You do your thing, you doing your thing. Alright. Good.
Show it longer this time.
Yes.
Much longer.
Like she was going to sit down, then she said, no, you know, I'm not sitting down, you know.
Yeah.
I'm trying again. But you see, when you talk to yourself, what happened? You know? Them some people talk to themselves, they're mad. But it's not true, you know.
Some not true.
You understand? No. You will.
Yeah.
You will yourself. Even though you didn't talk loud a while ago, but you just will yourself. And you did so much better than the other 3 times. Alright, so ready again?
Yeah, this one moving, but
the right one moving is the left one is the
Try the left one.
No, the left one is the weak side, you know.
Try this
Alright?
one. Try
So come with me. I'm going to lift it with you.
See.
There you go. Put it back down now. That's it. 1. Come again. See it moving there. You say you can't do it. Eh? Alright. So let's switch. There you go. See? If you can pass this one. I think you said you could not do it. Alright, so coming around this side for this one now. Alright? Okay? Permission?
Look where your foot come down up here.
You see? Eh? Did you see? Yes, because a lot of the fluid around. Come on. So you don't want it just come out just for one day. You want it on, and it's the same with the neck. Because the neck is on so much pillow, it gets so stiff. You understand? So I know it's painful, but you have to do the work. You put the work in, you see the result.
It's a no pain,
No pain, no result.
no result.
You have to get the pain, you know. You see all the athletes,
Yeah, a lot.
man, it's so hard them have to work.
No pain, no gain.
Yes.
Everything will be alright.
Yeah, man. And some people here is that young man when him just coming out of wheelchair and coming and now see me use a walker. That's something I want to see you use your walker, you know. You understand? So you want to use your walker? Yes.
Last time she tell me say run, she want to run.
Run, she want to run. Yeah, but the run comes with little pain. You understand? The run comes with a lot of pain, with a little pain, man. So you can't give up so easy. Look from when, as you come, you want to come out. Suppose we listen to you. Look how your foot drain. So your daughter just massage the foot. You see that? Yeah. Circle. Okay, so let's do the hand one more time again. Okay, good. See, going further there. Look at that. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. See there? If you leave it alone, it gets seeds up. So let's try 4 more. 1. And take it a little further. Good. 2. Take it a little further. Only 2 more. 2 more. 1. And the last one. So I'm going to ask you to do it by yourself 5 times. Alright? Ready? 5 times. Come with me. 1. So when you lie on your bed, that's all you have to do. 2. Good. Up. 3. 2 more. 4. Last one, 5. Wonderful. Good. So we're going to do this one. One thing that you have to turn the head this way now. Alright, so the arm hurt. I know the neck's stiff, but it's stiff because you use too much pillow. 1. Stretch it out a little more. 2. 3. This one is 10, you know. 4. Let me help you with it a little. Okay, go a little further. 1, and then you can do it yourself. Down. 2. Stretch. 3. Stretch. 4. Stretch. And 5. So you have 5 now. Your turn. Ready? 1. Good. Stretch. 2. Get a little further over the head now. 3. Wonderful. 4. And 5. Alright. So relax. Let me get you Ali to come and wait here.
See it? See foot them dry down?
Okay. Remember you have to set them, put them down. You're on this side. Remember I tell you about this side? It's the easier side for me. No, don't help her. Don't help her. Easier side. Easier side. You sit up now. Sit properly.
Come on,
And put the foot flat. You're going to be on this side here.
Come on. Oh.
come down from the thing and put your foot flat again.
And it's got you afraid of falling.
But that's afraid
of you falling.
We're not going to make her fall.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling her.
Today I make you fall.
Yeah, that's what she did.
Put your foot up and
For
flat
me,
on.
fall.
Okay. Ready? So you're going to put your hand down. Drop the stand down. Right.
Stand up on the foot now.
Okay. Good.
Yeah.
So
Hold it for
honey,
that it
I want you to stand in front of her, like I just put your hand on your shoulder. Alright? Put your hand on his shoulder.
All the way up.
All the way up here. Stretch him up, man. Stretch him. Stretch him. Alright. Ready? Put your foot behind you now. Put your foot behind you. So. What happened?
Hold on for him shoulder. Don't bend your knee.
Ready? Put your foot behind. Bring them behind.
Bring them behind now.
Bring them behind. And push yourself up now. Hold on to Ali. I'm not going to let you go in now. Ready?
Grip him up.
Sit it.
Yeah, pull back the foot.
Yeah, that's alright. She'll pull him where she come to peg up.
Up now.
Ready? Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Push. 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 Alright, come back down. Alright. One more. Bring them back a little more. Let's switch to your left. Your left need to come back.
This one.
Bring the left leg behind.
Yeah. Hold on, come down. Stand up.
Hold on now. Ready?
Up again.
Pull.
Yeah, come
You
on.
hold. You hold. Alright, push yourself up now.
Up.
Push.
Yeah, feel it. Push.
Push. Push. Push. Okay, relax. Lean back. Lean back. Good. And then sit forward. Forward. Bring your head all the way down. There you go. Lean back. Lean back as far as you can come. Nice. Nice. You're doing wonderful. And lean forward. There you go. Lean forward. Lean forward. Yes. Come back again. Lean back. Lean back. You have to work every muscle, you know. And then, okay. Step away. Remember we did a punch last week, bam, bam. But you have to sit back a little though. So put your hand here and sit up back a little. Come back on the chair a little.
Then I'll
Take
come
your
back
time.
up.
You're bringing back your bottom.
Go back up.
Ready? Push back. Put your hand here. Okay, and lift yourself. Come. Lift.
Back on the chair.
You're coming back on the chair now.
Over back way.
Yeah.
Yes, you're going back.
You're just coming over back on the chair.
Yes, you're not leaning back. You're easing your hip back.
Yeah.
To sit back.
Yes.
Sit back.
Yeah.
Ease up and sit back.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Push back.
Push, push. Right.
Yeah.
Good.
Right.
There you go. That's it. So you promise to put on the pillow them for me?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Pillow them. It's so far your neck. You see where our neck is? Our neck's supposed to be here.
Yeah.
Right here. But our neck is there. So this come around like that.
Alright, come over on it and give her this stiffness.
And give her the stiffness.
She needs to free up like
Yes.
this.
Yes.
So we're gonna lean the pillar, lean them flat.
Yeah, but because you're afraid it's going to
Put up
be
the foot.
hard.
And lean the
Because you're
pillar.
afraid it's going to be
Push up the
hard
foot
for
there.
her to do it completely. But you're all to get. But you can't be afraid of a bench, you know.
Six for the head there, for the pillar there. Our head have to go there down here, so I put our foot on the wall.
Oh, yes, yes. So she
Put her
going to
foot on the
do
wall.
Yes, yes,
Raise the foot on the wall.
yes. Alright, so you're going to do the same with both hands. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go forward now. The other way now. Reverse. 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. So ready now. Punch, punch, down. Punch. No man, that's not a punch. That's not punch. Huh? I want to hear punch. They're giving you music, you're going to punch the music.
Punch the rhythm.
Punch.
up your foot.
Kick it. Oh Lord.
Look at all your ankle or the ankle gone down. See that? You have to keep them up. See?
Flow them run down.
And she wants you to get up same time, you know, but why? Alright? Okay. Still, good.
Just like that. Thank you so much, Mrs. Pinto. Stop.
That's what you have to do. But when she gets nervous, you know, trust me, you could have said stop tilting down, so we're not stopping it. They can't get nervous now, you have to relax. Alright, so take care, I'll see you next week.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Pinto.
Alright, yes.
Thank you so much. How old are you, Mrs. Pinto?
I am sick. Oh, you want to see my face?
Yeah. Yeah.
I am 64.
64. Wow. Young.
I know you all are here. I am older than you.
Mr. Dassa, how old is Mr. Dassa?
I'm 67 next month.
Oh, 67 next month?
Yeah.
Wow. Now go on, see, I get fit like her. The more you work out, the more you get fit like her.
Yeah.
Working on it.
Working on it.
Get in there.
So you want to say, you think it's our nerves? No, she has Parkinson. Oh, she has Parkinson? Yes.
Yeah.
So it's the nerves. The nerves? Yeah. But I'm teaching her how to quiet it, you know? Yeah, quiet. Yeah, teaching her how to calm it down.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.